This is a Key Stage 3 light video looking at the application of reflection in a fibre optic cable, and this is called total internal reflection. So we've got our fibre optic cable that I've drawn here, and if we have our beam of light coming into it, and as it comes in, it then reflects off this edge of the fibre optic cable. And you can see I've drawn this already. I've drawn my normal line and I measured the angle, it was 88 degrees, and I reproduced that on the other side for the reflected angle. And when I put my mirror along that edge, we can see it reflects back against this side of the fibre optic cable. And then I can reposition the light along the new incident ray. Again, drew my 90-degree normal line up to the top there, put my mirror in place, and we can see how it reflects off of this side over to this side again. And this basically continues all the way through. So we've now got the beam of light, and it's gone over here, back up. Okay, and I'm going to draw one more as it comes down here and reflects back again, and it's just going to keep going like this. Okay, so let's use my protractor to take my 90-degree normal line up to the top here. Just checking which, I've got so many dots on the page now, I'm just going to check that just to be double sure. It's best to check twice and draw once. There we go. Okay, let's measure just like we did before with reflection and periscopes. We've got an angle there of 24 degrees. So there's going to be quite a lot of reflections in this section, and then it's going to widen out here. So go for 24 degrees the other side of the normal line. And that will reflect over like that. Okay, and that will continue through the fibre optic cable, and then there'll be probably a big reflected ray over here. And that is how all of that information gets from one end to the other, despite how the cable may have been flexed or bent. So let's look at that as a summary. Total internal reflection. Used in fibre optic cables, they make use of the law of reflection, transferring information for use in fibre optic broadband and television signal. So we can see here the information's coming in, no normal lines on this picture, but the information comes in and it just keeps reflecting off every single surface using exactly those same ideas of reflection. So we've got incident ray, reflected ray. Reflected ray becomes the new incident ray, reflects, and then reflects, and then reflects. Hope you found that useful. Thank you.